What if I invest in an automatic motorcycle washing business and there's no customers? This is the common concern for many people when they first start exploring this business model. It's not because they don't see market demand, nor because they lack capital. It's because they understand one thing very well. Business is not simply about copying that others have done. Business involves real money, real pressure, and very real risk. Go&Go has encountered many people in exactly that state. Initially, there is excitement. They see the large number of motorcycles on the road every day. They see their recurring need for cleaning. They see this as a potentially stable business direction. But the deeper they deal, the more discouraged they become. They start asking themselves, do I have enough customers in my area? Are there already shops nearby? What if the business is only busy for the short time and then the window? What if the revenue does not cover monthly expenses? These questions are entirely legitimate because behind every investment decision lies a responsibility to your family and your own financial plan. No one wants to try it for fun. No one wants to gamble just to see how lucky they are. And the more serious you are, the more obvious the fear becomes. But because Go&Go wants you to look at the essence of the matter, the market does not lack customers. In any residential area, industrial zone, or busy road, the number of motorbikes each day is very large. The need for cleaning is not a one-time thing, but a recurring one, weekly or monthly. This means the potential cash flow already exists. The problem is not whether you have customers or not, but how you approach and build your business model. Many people are afraid because everything is still in the room of speculation. There is no specific figure on the cost per brand, utility, and personnel. The minimum number of cleaning needed each month to break even has not been calculated. Without clear data, investing is like stepping into the blind spot. And in that blind spot, the worst case scenario always comes to mind first. But when you start sitting down and calculating, things change. If the total monthly cost is a specific number, you can easily calculate it to determine how many customers you need to reach each day. With a clear goal, you will shift from anxiety to planning. The question then shifts from what if there are no customers to how do we reach this number each day? A well-prepared model does not operate on hope, but on strategy. Location needs to be surveyed based on actual traffic. Processes need to be optimized for fast and consistent service during peak hours. Pricing needs to be appropriate for the area. And more importantly, there needs to be a way to encourage repeat business instead of just one business. When you build a loyal customer base, revenue will no longer be so volatile. Go&Go also wants you to look a little further ahead. This model goes beyond simply generating daily income. Once stable, you can standardize process, optimize costs, and readily expand. You can add supplementary service to increase value per business. You can leverage your existing customer base to develop additional motorbike care products. At that point, there's no longer just opening a shop, but building a sustainable business foundation. And here, Go&Go does not just provide equipment. Go&Go accompany you from the initial survey and analysis phase. We assist you in calculating investment costs, estimating the break-even point, and advising on optimal layout for efficient operation. After installation, the Go&Go team provides detailed instructions on usage, maintenance, and troubleshooting. If you encounter any operational issue, you will always have our support team behind you. Instead of having to manage everything on your own, Go&Go goal is not just to sell and be done with it, but to help you operate smartly and have a clear development roadmap. Go&Go always frankly shares that no business model is completely risk-free, but the biggest risk is not a lack of customer in the market, but investing without a clear understanding of the problem and without a rough preparation. When you have a specific plan, clear figure, and the right support, fear will significantly decrease, and when fears no longer dominate, you will make the decision with clear thinking instead of anxiety. If you have the same question at the beginning of this video, don't dismiss it. Turn it into motivation to learn more and prepare better. And if you want Go&Go to analyze your specific situation, location, and financial capabilities, please contact us directly for detailed support. Once everything is clear, You will realize that the scary thing is not the lack of customer, but the fear of starting when you have the necessary resources to do it well. Thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.